Hey there and welcome. Let's be real. Exam prep can feel like a ton of pressure. But what if I told you there's a smart way to tackle it? In this explainer, we're going to walk through a totally new approach that can transform how you get ready for the big day. Are you looking at this mountain of books and notes, just feeling completely overwhelmed? You study for hours, but you're not really sure if you're making progress. I totally get it. But you're in the right place because we are going to show you how to turn that mountain into a clear, manageable path. Okay, first things first. We have to completely reframe how we think about this. The goal in here isn't to chase a perfect score right out of the gate. Not at all. The real goal is discovery. It's about finding those little hidden gaps in what you know and fixing them one by one in a place with absolutely zero pressure. And that place is right here. Welcome to my study room. Think of it as your own personal learning playground, designed specifically to help you build strong concepts without any of that test days. Stress. The whole thing boils down to a really simple but super powerful three-step loop. First, you diagnose your weak spots with a tool called Gap Fixer. Second, you learn and fill those gaps with your AI buddy Tony. And third, you just repeat that cycle until you've truly mastered the topic. So let's break down each of these steps. Alright, let's dive into step 1, diagnosis. This is where we stop the guesswork and start getting real data on exactly where you need to improve. And the tool for this is the Gap Fixer. I want you to think of it like a personal detective for your brain. You just pick a topic you've already studied and it gets to work, creating a special session just for you to find those little knowledge gaps. And here's where it gets really smart. Gap Fixer doesn't just see a wrong answer and move on. No, it digs deeper to find the root cause. So, is it a specific vocabulary word that's tripping you up? Or maybe the logic of an inference question? It could even be a single formula. You keep getting mixed up. It pinpoints the exact issue for you. And I really want you to hear this. It is okay to make mistakes in here. Actually, it's more than okay. It's a good thing. Every single mistake you make is a signal that tells the system exactly how it can help you. So seriously, don't worry about. Just embrace the process of discovery. Okay, so what happens when you hit a question and you're just stuck? Or when you make one of those good mistakes we just talked about? Well, that brings us to the most powerful part of this whole process, learning with your AI tutor. I'd like you to meet Tony. He's your 24/7 AI buddy. Got a question at 2 in the morning? No problem. Tony is always right there to help you clear up any confusion the moment it happens. No waiting, no judgment. Now, this brings me to the single most important rule of the study room. And I mean it. Do not guess. Guessing is your enemy here because it hides your knowledge gaps and just slows you down. If you are even a little bit unsure about an answer, the smart play is always to ask Tony for help. So, how does Tony do it? It's a brilliant three-part method. First, before anything else, Tony figures out the core concept behind the question you're stuck on. Then it gives you a clear, simple explanation to build up that foundation. And only after you've got the concept down, it goes through and analyzes every single answer choice, showing you exactly why the wrong ones are wrong and why the right one is right. Tony instantly pulls the most relevant info from tons of top textbooks and sources at once. But here's the kicker, it only shows you the specific piece of information that you're missing. You get to focus only on your gaps, which just massively speeds up your learning. So once Tony has helped you clear up a concept and you're feeling good about it, you're ready for the final step in our learning loop. This is all about making sure that new knowledge really sticks for good. You simply repeat that process, diagnose a gap, learn the concept over and over until your topic progress bar turns completely green. That green bar is your visual proof. It means you haven't just finished a topic, you have a deep conceptual understanding of it. That, my friend, is true mastery. When you put all three of these steps together, you unlock a way of studying that is just fundamentally smarter and way more efficient than what you're probably used to. I mean, think about traditional studying, right? It usually means rereading entire chapters, which forces you to spend a lot of time on stuff you already know perfectly well. The method we're talking about here is totally different. It's like a laser beam focusing only on your specific knowledge gaps. And trust me, that is going to save you hours and hours of valuable study time. So you've put in the work, you've achieved mastery, and you've got a topic progress bar that's glowing green. What's next? Well, now that you've got the knowledge, you're ready to build speed, and that's your cue to move over to pace. This is where you take that rock solid conceptual knowledge and learn to apply it under pressure. Pace is all about timed practice sessions designed to build both your speed and your accuracy, getting you truly ready for real exam conditions. Because once you build this strong foundation concept by concept, green bar by green bar, you're going to walk into that exam room with a whole new level of confidence.